Today we're going to be making a masala chai recipe that is super authentic and so close to the real deal that you won't even miss the milk. So let's get cooking. So for my masala chai, here I have a saucepan on medium-high heat. To this, I'm going to add a cup of soy milk, and a cup of water. So we want to make sure to use equal parts of soy milk and water because this is what gives it that authentic flavor and color. To this, I'm going to add around 4 teaspoons of loose black tea, around 5 to 6 cardamom pods that I crushed to release its flavors, and around 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can feel free to skip this step or add any sweetener of your choice, but sugar is just a lot more authentic. Once you start to see bubbling on the edges, we can add our ginger. I like to add the ginger a little later because I've noticed that when I add it too early, it thins out the liquid for some reason. I'm also adding 5 to 6 mint leaves. This is something that I really enjoy because I love the flavor of mint, but you can completely skip this. Even if you're not a fan of mint, I encourage you to try it at least once because it's just so yummy. Now all we have to do is wait for this to come to a boil. So keep an eye on this because chai has a thing of just boiling over when you least expect it or when you're not looking. As you can see, my chai has come to a lovely boil. Now I'm just going to strain this into a cup. And enjoy. I'm shocked by how authentic this masala chai recipe tastes, considering that there is no dairy in it whatsoever. I did post another masala chai recipe a couple months ago, but at that point I had no idea that you could boil soy milk without splitting it. And ever since I figured that out, my life has changed forever. I really hope that this becomes your go-to recipe for a vegan masala chai because I know it's mine. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. And an amazing pairing with masala chai is some pakoras. For that recipe, check it out right here, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday.